All right, what's up, Patreon fam? Really exciting times coming up. I'm going to do a week of precision teaching based content, entirely precision teaching based. I have a couple things. I've got really old videotapes of Ogden Lindsley that I'm digitizing. I also have a partnership set up to where Operant Coffee and I are putting 100 of their samplers in the first 100 posters that are sold of Ogden Lindsley's. Now, if you're a Patreon person that subscribes at the level, the tier to where I owe you one of those, yours is already included, so you don't have to worry about it. That's out there. You all know first before we put them out there publicly. The link is in this description, okay? All right, so that's some of the details. The important part is I'm gonna be able to ask some really, really amazing people some really cool questions, and I wanna know what it is that you want me to ask them. So I'm gonna have Scott Miller. He is Abraham on the Why We Do What We Do podcast. And he has been at Fit Learning, working extensively with precision teaching for some like 8 or 10 years. Amazing outcomes, really cool. If you have any questions for him, let me know down below. Remember, academic setting, the Fit Learning, if you want to go check it out, I'll link it down below as well. Now, the next one is Carrie Millico. She's jumping on. She runs a practitioner course, a web course, where people go through and actually learn how to start implementing this sort of stuff. Fantastic. She's been the president of the Standard Acceleration Society. She's a part of this master behavior bank idea that I've given you a little bit of background on as well, and what I'll be pursuing next year. So you're going to see her more. But know that I have a badass practitioner that is also a business owner for not one, but 2 locations. And I can ask her questions as well, and I'd love to ask her any questions she may that you may have for her. What is next? I'm working on one other. It is not confirmed. I'm hoping to get Amy Evans on. It's unclear if we'll be able to get our schedules overlap. So if you have any for her, she's really good at getting Chartlytics and that sort of like electronic sort of implementation going in different areas. She's got a lot of background in, once people are interested, really showing them how to do precision teaching, how to get that going in a variety of different settings, including large organizations or school district settings as well. So know that that's coming as well. And then the last one, I have landed Rick Cabina, super excited. Again, with Chartlytics, we're gonna do a long form podcast, okay? This is on the Controversial Exchange. So we're gonna talk about standardization, the importance of standardization, try to pick apart when we're talking about the standard acceleration chart, what is important about it, what's not, but largely more of this perspective of like, why do we need to standardize in our science? I've also invited on Scott Miller with that as well. And again, Dimitri is the co-host. It's gonna be awesome. We're set to record that sometime in early January as well. So all this has to be pretty quick. So if you can reply real quick with any questions you may have or comments or stories about precision teaching, it would be really nice. We'd love to help out, and that just makes the conversation that more valuable for all of you. So that's your quick behind the scenes update, what's coming up. I'll make sure that you all know about this in a post as soon as they're actually in, so you can see what they're like. I'm pretty stoked. Just trying to bring together a more structured week of content that really makes sense. And if you like these series and these ideas, I'm gonna probably keep rolling with series like this. I think it just makes more sense. So anyhow, hope you have an awesome day. That's your behind the scenes update of the Daily BA.